Alright, guys, you're welcome to this episode on my weekly focus. I am on the weekly chart on USD Japanese yen. So that is what I'll be doing my analysis on, this particular currency pair. So you know how I do it on the weekly analysis. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see the lines that I've drawn. These are lines that I've checked from previous prices coming from back historical price. You can see these are levels, and it is corresponding to this current price here. You can see this where I drew out this my white horizontal line to make it clearer. You can see, so those are levels I'm expecting price to come to. But on the weekly, you can see this big candle here that just dropped. This is price just dropped on USD. Probably the yen is beginning to get a little bit strength. We can see also that this previous candle happened here before it got to the trend line. This is our trend. It started reversing. So what happened there? You can see that price got to this level, this first horizontal level that I marked. It broke out from that level. It came back, tested that level. That is more like a very good confluence for trading. Breakout and retest normal. So it came out and it broke out and then came out that level, tested that level, and then it's pushing back up. So now we are at another level. It came to the same level, it started playing around this level, and then broke out from this level also. Now it has come back to that level. So we are expecting the same kind of move upwards to test that level and start going up again. But you know, every movement has its end. So this particular point, I'm expecting this is the end of the trend. Probably there will be a reversal at this point, but I'll wait for a confirmation. So we don't rush into the trade. That's why I marked out this point above. You can see this my points above here that I shaded in a dark green rectangular box. You can see I'm expecting price to come in there, test this horizontal level along with this trend line, come back here, take this thing supply from here and start pulling down. So I'm expecting my next level to be around here. This level is 151.80. That's why I'm expecting my next level to come. This will give about a 1:4, but then I can go for a 1:2 normally. If I can get the 1:2, I can exit the trade. So that is why I marked at that level, because you can see what I wrote here. You see that I wrote monthly supply broken, sell confirmation. That is like from the previous candle. This is like a highest high of the previous price, and it has broken the highest high. When price takes out the levels, it is assumed that retail traders, they have been taken out. So the market gains liquidity and start pulling, take its normal direction. So a lot of persons must have been taken out from here, like in terms of losses, placing their stop around here, thinking price reverse. So price will take them out and start coming down. But I'll wait for a confirmation to break this trend and this horizontal line, so as not to fall unfortunate as at the same thing that happened previously here. So I'll wait for it. If it breaks out from here, then I'll take a trade. Or if it comes back into this rectangular box and give me a nice pullback to fall, I'll take a sell. So that's what I'll be expecting for this week, guys. This is the weekly candle, but let's go down to the daily candle so you see the price action in general, how it's reacting. Look at the daily candle. You can see inside the daily it formed this box here where I'm waiting for price to come back or to break out from this level. So this area now, you can see it forms a double top around here. This is the first level. It came down, came again, tested the level and started pulling down. So it's more like a strong confirmation that price might start going bearish. You get so. But automatically, what I mean is, when a weekly candle has this giant kind of candle like this, probably we're expecting a reversal. So, but I'll wait for a confirmation and then we'll pull out and then know what we can get for this week. So this is our trade for this week. I'm expecting a very good move from this one. Similar thing is happening across all yen pairs. So it's as if yen is trying to get gain momentum this coming week till the end of the month. So let's see how it goes. You can also see the same thing happening in Australian dollar yen. because I just left the USD yen. Now this Australian dollar yen, the same price action is happening here. Look at the weekly candle, a very big candle. It's more like an engulfer. It's bigger than the previous week candle, giving a signal that price might eventually come down. That was why, and it also broke out from the monthly highest high from historical price levels. I can't trace it back anyway because you might not see it, but let me show you anyway. Now you can see at this level here, this is the highest level before, the highest level. So price just broke out from there, from the monthly candle, and then it's trying to come down. So we're expecting price to start reversing because it must have taken out a lot of persons by breaking that level. A lot of persons must have put their stop loss there, and price will take them out. So we're expecting a confirmation for that price to start pulling down also in this pair. So I'll be waiting for a confirmation. That was why I had to draw out these. These price actions. You can see it from my daily. This is the daily action. You can see I'm waiting for price to come back into this my box here, then I'll start going down. This is more like a better price action for me compared to the previous chart. I prefer this Aussie yen to USD yen because of the price action that is forming. I feel it will give more drop more than the USD, because the USD is closer to the horizontal line already and the trend, so there will be a lot of difficulty around there. But you can see this one is still far from the horizontal line, so we're expecting a strong drop down to the horizontal line before we might start seeing reactions. Probably it might still break down and start coming down. So this one is a better price action for me, for what I feel. So if you go down again to see what is really happening, go to the H4, the hourly chart. You can see the hourly chart where I draw. This is where price broke down from last week, started playing around. This is where price is now. I'm expecting price to come into here because this is like a little supply that has been created around here, so I don't want to miss the price movement. So if price touches this area, I'm going in for a sell. I don't need to wait for price to come into all these areas. No, I just want price to come in here, then I'll take my sell, put my stop around here, which is this range of box that I've created here. So expecting 1:2 on this one. So if price comes in, good for us. So that is all we have for this week. I believe you understand my strategy and how I trade. It's more like I trade supply and demand areas. You can see we have marked these areas. This is my supply area. This is my demand area. These are the major levels I would like to trade from. That's how I do my stuff. I check where prices is getting a lot of supply and demand. That's where I place my entry and I wait for price to come in there. The same thing happening in USD yen. You can see this area is where I'm expecting a price movement for sell supply area, and this also is my demand, this area here. So that is how we do it. We wait for this one till the price resumes very soon, in a few hours. So I'll be setting my pending order for this one. I don't need to wait. So that is all for now. I'll be dropping my strategy in quotes in general on a live trade that I took last week and the result I got from USD Chef. This is the chart. I'll show you how I managed to get make a profit from this pair from last week. So we expect that analysis on my next trade. I'll show you how I managed to get a sell from around there, cut a sell from around there down to this level. So I'm going to show you that on my next video. Alright guys, have a blessed week and be fruitful and stay blessed. Bye.